Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Today's recipe is a tiny kitchen touchdown. We're making buffalo chicken wings. It's football season and nothing pairs better with the big game than a big old plate of spicy chicken wings. So go long, it's time to bring it. So what you're gonna need is cayenne pepper sauce, oil, chicky wings, flour, salt and pepper, butter, cayenne pepper, which is optional, garlic powder, and paprika. You'll also need a Dutch oven, tongs, paper towels, 2 mixing bowls, a thermometer, which is optional, kitchen scissors, or a sharp knife. It has been an intense battle all season long, and we are now down to the final 2. So before we get started, I just want to take a second to congratulate the
Philadelphia Eagles
and the
New England Patriots
on a season well played. But hey, the way I see it, everybody wins this year because JT is playing the halftime show. Can't stop the feeling! We're gonna get started by preparing our chicken wing. As you can see here, we've got 3 sections. We've got the little drumette, the flat, and then the wingtip. Now we're gonna cut these up into individual segments using our kitchen scissors or a sharp knife. Using the kitchen scissors, we will just cut right through the bone of the wingtip, and you can discard this and then find right where the bone connects and then just snip like that. Now using the knife method, we're gonna start by removing the wingtip. Find there's a little ridge here and you just slowly massage right through it. So I have washed and thoroughly dried our chicken wings. Now you want to make sure that they are super dry because that will allow them to crisp up nicely in the oil. Now I'm going to season this up with a little bit of salt and then I will set those aside. We're going to create a dredge for the chicken, beginning with our flour, garlic powder, and the paprika. And we'll give that a little bit of a mix. And at this point, it's just about dredging the chicken on both sides. Dust off the extra and place it on a clean plate. Now our chicken is thoroughly dredged. I'm gonna wash my hands, clean up a little bit, and we'll make the sauce. Now we got our oil heating up in our Dutch oven in the back, and while that is heating, we can make our buffalo chicken wing sauce. I'm gonna start by placing our butter into our microwavable bowl. I'm gonna heat this until it melts. To our melted butter, I am going to add the cayenne pepper sauce, garlic powder, black pepper. We've got ground cayenne pepper here. 1 shake hot, 2 shakes hotter, 3 shakes insanity. We'll give this a stir, and our sauce is done. Let us go fry some chicken wings. The oil's heating. You want to make sure it's up to 375 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, just stick a wooden spoon into the oil, and once it starts to bubble, you know it's gotten up to temperature. Another thing I like to do is grab some popcorn, throw a kernel in there right at the start, and then when it hits 360 degrees, it pops, and you know you're just about there. We're gonna start by very carefully placing our chicken into the hot oil, making sure that you don't drop it inside. You don't wanna put too many or overcrowd the pan, otherwise it will bring the oil temperature down so much that you won't get a proper fry. So we'll do it in a couple of batches. I'll put all the flats in first. Cook these till they're nice and golden brown. So it's been about 8 minutes. We're gonna remove the flats and place it onto our paper towel. And then we will do the same with the drumettes. We're gonna cook these for just about 10 minutes. Now look at that golden brown chicken. That is exactly what we're looking for. We're just gonna coat it with that amazing cayenne pepper sauce. Let's plate them up. So check this out, we've got the perfect homemade game day meal. I know you're gonna want the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make buffalo chicken wings in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen, Big Taste. Touchdown, Tiny Kitchen! Got that sunshine in my pocket. I got it.
Been so phenomenally, you're more like the way we rock it. So don't stop.